Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to kind of go over the weekly recap, I guess. Might start doing these, so just gonna go over kind of the trades I took today because that's the most recent, and then a little bit about the gasoline trader. I'm gonna start with the gasoline trader and the group that we got. All right, so we do still have, I think, one or two spots left for the gasoline trader. Likely there's probably never gonna be spots available again. So if you want to get in on the monthly membership, then you don't want to do that now. Otherwise, you're only going to be able to buy the lifetime. So just a heads up there. Yeah, some profits from past couple days here. This was today. We had one of our members, Chaos. You can see down here, up about $2,400 on the day, which is very, very good. And then one of our other members here, actually up 1,600 on the day as well, and that's from trading, just leaving it on basically throughout the day. I ended up only making about 100 today because I left it on overnight, and that is what it made overnight, only about 100. We had one of our other members, C3, made about 200 per account, these accounts here with the software. And then on Thursday, it made about $600 for me with the gasoline trader just while I was sleeping. So very, very good there. Pretty good past couple days here with the gasoline trader, figuring out a lot of updates and making it better for the community. So if you want to get in on that, then you can purchase it on the website. If there's no spots left, you can DM me. We'll see if we can add any more, but likely we won't. Okay. And then for just kind of the trades I took today, big rally on the market today. All right, big rally on the market. We were pretty bullish going into today, even though we had that big sell-off yesterday. Still pretty bullish going into the day today. So on the open, what we were watching was we had this 1 minute fair value gap here. Okay, we bounced off of this once, and then we came down, sold off right when the market opened. Found buyers here. I took one stab long here. It got stopped for a small profit, and then took another stab long and ended up, once I saw we were actually going to hold this, took another stab long and sold. There was a 5 minute fair value gap up here at 15,340, so took off profits there. So at this point, I think I was only up about 150 bucks on the day, and then got pretty choppy. Obviously missed out on a little bit there, but you can't really think about it like that. So then through all this action, didn't take any trades. And then over here, was sitting on the charts for a while, and we had another break of structure here, right here. We took out this low, started chopping, but break of structure here, good displacement, starting to get some volume building to the upside, which is good. And then took a stab long on the dip down here, got a really nice entry. Was a little patient because I saw on Bookmap the tape was kind of fast, so I got an entry at 47.75, and ideally wanted to leave it up until this high here, which would have been about 43 points, and I was only risking actually 5.5 points, so really good risk reward. But I only had one contract because I'm on a small 50K account. So I would have liked to scale out one here and then leave a runner up to here, but I ended up just taking off my one contract here. Still about 19 points, 20 points or so. So pretty good there. Obviously looking into the day, right? My entries from down here obviously look pretty good. But again, you can't really think about it like that, right? Walked away with good profits for the morning, up about 550 on the day today. Okay, up about 550 on the day as a whole. So that is very, very good. Okay, and then taking a look here, just at the new Top Step eval that I bought at the beginning of the week this week. So have about 4 days on it after today. We were about 51,500 before today, and now we are up plus about 550, so right around $52,060 or so after today. So about a little over $2,000 just in 4 days on the account. About an 80% win rate, pretty good risk reward. Yeah, calling out some nice trades there. And then yesterday, we actually called out a beautiful trade yesterday. I'll show you what it is. This is on the live during the lunchtime stream. Okay. We had this 5-minute fair value gap here. We swept these equal highs. Okay. And then once we swept these relative equal highs, started to find some heavy displacement to the downside on the 5-minute time frame. I noticed 5-minute looked really, really good. Okay. And I actually took a stab short here and had my stop up here. It was right around up there. So kind of a big gap, a big, not a big gap, big stop loss. Targeting these lows right here, just these internal lows, which is still about 30 points or so. And then news came out and we actually dumped. I called this out on the live stream at lunch as well. I actually left the live stream like right during this candle, this white candle that was forming here, and told our guys to watch it as a rejection from here. And yeah, we ended up just dumping. Obviously, again, definitely could have held a little bit longer, but holding to my targets, holding to my plan, and it's working out well there. So yeah, just a little recap on the week. Well, past couple of days that I remember. And yeah, remember, if you guys want to get the gasoline trader, just join the Discord, head over to memberships, click this link. All right, there's only literally 1 or 2 spots left for the monthly. Otherwise, you're gonna have to buy a lifetime. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little recap, and I will see you guys next week. See ya.